Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Good evening. I, I, Asma Shayyad, welcoming to behalf of Divine International School to all my lovely kids, dear parents, respected principal, Deepika ma'am, Rekha ma'am, coordinator Avni ma'am, and all teachers. It is my pleasure to welcome everyone to our beautiful event. Kids, do you know why we are gathered here? Yes, because we going to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Before starting celebration, I would like to request all the parents, please mute your mic. Today, as we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi, so I would like to tell you about Lord Ganesha. Parvati, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati has two sons, Kartikeya and Ganesha. Lord Ganesha has two wives, Riddhi and Siddhi. Lord Ganesha has two sons, Subh and Labh. Ganesha is considered as the first great god of Hindu mythology. Lord Ganesha is also known as Vignaharta. Ganesh Chaturthi is also called Vinayak Chaturthi. It is the 10 days long Hindu festival held on the birthday of the Lord Ganesha. It is celebrated all over the India. The festival is held on Shukla Chaturthi in the Hindu month of Bhadrapada and Anant Chaturthi. During this festival, people pray Lord Ganesha with great devotion. In this occasion, people keep their clay idols privately in their homes or publicly on a big pandals. Ganesha is considered to be a symbol of wisdom, writing, travel, commerce, and good fortune. He is also addressed as Gajanan, Ganesh, Gajadhan, that are among his 108 names. Thank you. Now, I would like to call Mitakshi ma'am to start assembly.
Good evening, my lovely children, dear parents and grandparents. How are you all? I'm Mitakshi Rathod. Once again, welcome you all in our second Google Meet. So before starting our today's celebration, we will start with a small assembly. I will request all the students to get ready for assembly. You all know how do we stand in assembly. So students, please stand up.
Stand
Come on,
up.
stand up at your place. Join your hands. Come on, everyone, stand up. Join your hands and close your eyes. As we are going to start a small slok. Come on, ready, everyone?
Close your eyes.
Come on, join your hands. Close your eyes. Very good. Let's start. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighna Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Once again, good evening, everyone.
Thank you, Mitakshi ma'am. Now, I would like to request to Apeksha ma'am to say spiritual inspiration thought of the day.
Mute your mic. Myself, Apeksha Patel. I would like to request you all in our Google Meet. Thought of the day is God is the best teacher. You don't need to shout, nor need to cry out loud, because He hears even the very silent prayer of a sincere heart. Thank you.
Thank you, Apeksha ma'am, for such a wonderful inspiration thought. Now, I would like to call our respected principal ma'am to share words of wisdom.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, children. Good evening, dear parents, grandparents.
Good evening,
Ganesh
ma'am.
Chaturthi.
Mummy,
Chaturthi to you all.
कल बैठ जाओ।
Okay. Now we are gathered to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. And as teacher said, it is a beautiful event. Beautiful कैसे? Today we all are gathering. All the classes, nursery, junior, senior, everybody is together. Beautiful thing. Grandparents हमारे साथ है. So clap for your grandparents. Welcome your grandparents. With you. We are lucky that we have so many grandparents with us. आप लोग हमारे साथ हैं. Thank you so much. आपने इतना टाइम निकाल के हमारे साथ आए. And in this pandemic situation, जब हम लोग सब इतना दूर होते थी, हमारा इतना पास है. That is all because of Lord Ganesha. है ना? Lord Ganesha की blessing की वजह से we are able to use all these techniques and come closer. And our grandparents are there with us to teach us. वो हमको सिखाएंगे. भजन सिखाएंगे grandparents हमारे साथ. है ना बच्चों? They are going to teach you so many things. Parents तो है ही. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, my dear children. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is audible, audible.
Yes, ma'am.
You can audible.
Okay. So, are you all ready for the event? All the teachers have prepared so much. So, happy Ganesh Chaturthi all. And thank you, grandparents. आप हमारे साथ हैं. So, I know that we'll be able to teach all these values to the children. बच्चों को तो सिखाना है. Parents अकेले का काम नहीं. Grandparents होंगे. That is a very good thing for us. You're there to teach us so many values to our kids. So, thank you, dear grandparents. Thank you, parents, for being with us. And thank you all the teachers also. You can continue. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Kids, as you like chocolate, pizza, burger, right? Same as Ganesh dislike modak and laddu. So now we are going to prepare laddu with Mitaxi ma'am.
Okay.
So I would like to request to Mitaxi ma'am to continue.
Okay. Yes. Do you know now what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to prepare a laddu. Okay, we are going to prepare today a chocolate laddu. So you all are ready? You all like pizza, right? You all like chocolate, you all like pizza. But Ganpati Bappa like modak and laddu. Okay, है ना?
Yes.
है कि नहीं? हाँ, तो आप कभी से सोच रहे हैं ना कि ओरियो बिस्किट क्रश और मिल्क उसका हम सब क्या करने वाले हैं? वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज करके हम आज लड्डू बनाएंगे. ओके, रेडी? Ready or not?
I request all the parents, please mute your mic. Hello.
Parents, please mute your mic.
Parents,
and on
please
your
mute your
video.
mic
So let's start.
and on your video, please.
Come on, let's start. Okay. See here. What is this? This is a milk. है ना? आप सब लोग के पास milk है ना? Can listen me? See, this is a milk, or this is a desiccated coconut milk. Desiccated coconut milk, dry coconut powder, right? What is this? This is a chocolate Oreo biscuit, है ना? Biscuit crush, है ना? दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes.
Okay. और ये क्या है? जो रिमेनिंग क्रीम है ना चॉकलेट बिस्किट की, वो है. ओके, ऑल द थिंग्स आर रेडी विथ यू?
Yes, ready, teachers.
Yes,
Yeah. So you all have washed your hands.
Wash your hands.
You all wash your hands. Huh? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Before cooking, we should wash our hands, right? Properly. तो सबने अपने हाथ धोए हैं ना?
Yes.
Okay. So children, we should always take hygiene precautions, right?
Right.
Okay. So what we are going to do? What we will do? We will take some Oreo crush, okay, in one plate. है ना? ऐसे लो, चलो सब लोग प्लेट में ऐसे निकालो. ओके, ऐसा थोड़ा है ना, पार्ट रहने देना है हमें, क्योंकि अगर वी विल ऐड मिल्क तो अगर वो लूज हो गया तो फिर हमें वापस डालने के लिए चाहिए. ओके, लिया आप लोग ने? यू हैव टेकन? हाँ. Okay, now what we will do? We will add some this desiccated coconut in our white cream like this way. Okay, done? किया आप लोगों ने? You are doing with me? Okay, now what we have to do? With the help of a spoon, we have to mix this. Okay. Grandparents, please help them. Grandparents or mummy, you can help them, right? Please help them. You can add little more. Okay, done? You have mixed it? Right? Now what we are going to do? We are going to add little milk in this mixture. First of all, we will add 1 spoon. Okay. Then another 1 spoon. Now first of all, we will mix with the help of spoon only. है ना? पहले हम क्या करेंगे? स्पून से ही मिक्स करेंगे. ओके. अभी और चाहिए मुझे. A little bit more. Now what we are going to do? I will use my hand, right? अभी क्या करना है? हमें ये हाथ से ऐसे मिक्स करना है, right? और मम्मी जैसे चपाती बनाती है ना, रोटी, वैसे दो कैसे बनाते हैं? हमें वैसे बनाना है ना? आप लोग कर रहे हैं? ओके.
मीताक्षी मैम,
Done,
wait.
everyone?
हाँ, थोड़ा wait. Do it,
Okay,
children. Mama is preparing duff ना, same way you are also preparing.
ये देखो मेरा कैसे थोड़ा ढीला हो गया, तो then I will add this little more, right?
આવું લઈને મૂડું વાપ દેવાનું અંદર.
डन हो गया आपका ऐसा? देखो डन
children. Meetakshi ma'am, continue.
Okay, now what we have to do? We have to take a little portion like this way. हमें क्या करना है? ऐसे little portion लेना है ना? फिर what we are going to do? We are going to roll, right? ऐसे roll करना है ना? फिर with the help of a thumb हमें ऐसे उसको दबाना है, pour करना है, right? Yeah. Please, grandparents, you can help them. Right? Done like this way. किया आप लोगों ने? अभी दिख रहा है आप लोग को? Now what we are going to do? We are going to take a small portion of this cream. राइट, क्रीम है ना, ये स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ क्रीम एंड डेसिकेटेड कोकोनट का लेना है और ऐसे इसको बीच में रखना है। डन है ना। फिर हमें क्या करना है, उसको ऐसे क्लोज करना है। ओके, फिर ऐसे करना है। फिर विद द हेल्प ऑफ द टू palm वी हैव टू रोल लाइक अ बॉल। सी, our लड्डू इज रेडी, है ना। ओके, आप लोग का रेडी हुआ? लड्डू इज रेडी और नॉट रेडी?
Yes.
Okay, now we will make another one. Okay, now what we are going to make? We will take another small portion, okay, of this chocolate biscuit crush, है ना। And we have to do as same, हम लोग ने जैसे किया ना वैसे ही करना है। उसको ऐसे अंदर थोड़ा सा प्रेस करना है, राइट। किया वापिस? अभी हमें वापस उसमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू ऐड आवर क्रीम एंड डेसिकेटेड कोकोनट स्टफ, राइट। इसको ऐसे किया। अभी हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू क्लोज द एजेस। क्लोज किया ऐसे, पर हमें अभी इसमें क्या करना है, वी डोंट हैव टू रोल। आप लोग ने शॉप में देखा है कि गणपति बाप्पा मोदक भी होते हैं, बिकॉज गणपति बाप्पा लव्स लड्डू एंड मोदक बोथ। सो फ्रॉम दिस वी आर गोइंग टू मेक मोदक। सो हमें ऐसे यहाँ पे ऐसे पहले फ्लैट सरफेस करना है, ओके, ऐसे रख के फिर विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिंगर्स हमें ऐसे उसको पॉइंट करना है। हुआ आपका? ऐसे किया आप लोग ने? हाँ, डन और नॉट रेडी? Ready? Okay, now what we have to do? I have told you to take toothpick also, right? है ना, toothpick है ना आप लोग के पास? So we have to put like this way and we are going to give shape, है ना। हमें ऐसे उसको प्रेस करना है। देखो ये शेप आ गया ना, देखो ऐसे शेप आ गया ना, आया कि नहीं आया? देखो ऐसे शेप हो गया ना। तो वी हैव मेक लाइक इट मेक इन शॉप, राइट। जैसे शॉप में मिलते हैं ना वैसे हम लोग ने बना दिया, राइट। बनाया आप लोग ने, सबने रेडी? सी, आर लड्डू एंड मोदक इज रेडी। नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, I will take this laddu and dip in this desiccated coconut for garnishing. देखो ऐसे लड्डू को गार्निश करना है ना। हो गया? रेडी?
थैंक यू बेटा।
डन बेटा, सब लोग ने कर दिया। बताओ मुझे, दिखाओ मुझे आपने कैसे बनाया लड्डू और मोदक।
आरव ने सब बिगाड़ दिया।
अरे बाप रे, कुछ नहीं, इट्स ओके। लेट मी सी, आप लोग ने बनाया? ओके, वेरी नाइस। बट यू डोंट हैव टू ईट नाउ, राइट। अभी आपको खाना नहीं है ना। वी आर गोइंग टू ऑफर टू गणेश जी, है ना। बाद में हम खाएंगे एट द लास्ट, है ना। लास्ट में सबको प्रसाद बना के खिलानी है, ओके। यू एंजॉय? एंजॉय किया कि नहीं किया चॉकलेट लड्डू बना के?
Teacher, one
Okay, ma'am, please.
Thank you,
Thank
Mitakshi
you.
ma'am, preparing yummy laddus. As we prepare prasad for Ganeshji, Durva Patra is also favorite for Ganeshji. Now Swati ma'am will teach you how to make bouquet of Durva Patra.
Good evening, parents. Parents first, I request to all the parents, please mute your mic. Good evening, parents.
Good evening.
We are going to make Durva bunch with different names of Ganpatiji. So do you know, children, how to identify Durva grass? Okay. I will show you how to identify Durva grass.
Swati, on
Swati
your
ma'am, your mic is mute.
mic is mute.
Durva grass grow as a long and has a single root above the surface with 3 nodes. See here, 1, 2, 3 nodes that sprout leaves. Durva grass it is a 3-bladed plant. Sprout leaves. See here. Okay. The minimum number of Durvas to be offered to be Sri Ganesha should be 21. So let's start. Make a bunch Durva.
अरे तू कितला कॅमेरा
Swati ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Let's start Durva Patra with different Ganpati names. So first children, आपको मेरे पीछे एक एक गणपति जी के नेम बोलने, okay? So take first one Durva Patra and say Ganadishaya Namaha. Take second Durva Patra and say Uma Putraya Namaha. Take third number Durva Patra and say Abhaya Padakaya Namaha. Abhaya Padakaya Namaha. Take four number Patra and say Ekadantaya Namaha. चिल्ड्रन आपको मेरे पीछे बोलना है. Okay, take fifth number patra and say Eva Vakraya Namaha. Okay, take sixth number patra and say Mushaka Vahanaya Namaha. Mushaka Vahanaya Namaha. Take 7 number patra and say Vinayakaya Namaha. Vinayakaya Namaha. Take 8 number patra and say Ishtaputraya Namaha. Ishtaputraya Namaha. Okay. Take 9th number patra and say Sarva Siddhi Pradayakaya Namaha. Sarva Siddhi Pradayakaya Namaha. Okay. Take 10th number patra and say Lambodharaya Namaha. Yes. Then take 11th number patra and say Vakratundaaya Namaha. Okay, take 12th number patra and say Adanashaya Namaha. Take 13 number patra and say Vigna Sahastre Namaha. Vigna Sahastre Namaha. Okay, take 14th number patra and say Vishwa Vadyaya Namaha. Vishwa Vadyaya Namaha. Okay, take 15th number patra and say Amareshwaraya Namaha. And take 16th number patra and say Gajavakrataaya Namaha. Gajavakrataaya Namaha. Gajavakrataaya Namaha. Okay, take 17th number patra and say Nagayadno Pavitine Namaha. Pavitine Namaha. Okay, take 18th number patra and say Balachandraya Namaha. Balachandraya Namaha. Okay, take 19th number patra and say Varshodharine Namaha. Varshodharine Namaha. Take 20th number patra and say Vigna Dirpaya Namaha. Vigna Dirpaya Namaha. Okay, take 21st number patra and say Sarva Vidya Pradayakaya Namaha. Then take all the 21 Durvach Patra and make bunch with thread के साथ हमें लाइक ऐसे bunch बनाना है दुर्वा पत्र See like this. Then offer to the गणेश जी. अभी हमारा दुर्वा पत्र का बंच रेडी हो गया गणेश जी को चढ़ाने के लिए. Okay, children.
Thank you, Swati ma'am, for making it. Without puja thali, aarti cannot happen. So I would like to call Apeksha ma'am to prepare aarti's thali.
Myself, Apeksha Patel. Now, before beginning the artist thali, I would like to show your activity yesterday. Concerning your activity, that is the answer your class, drawing your Ganesh. Show me your
Students, show your activity. Students, show your activity which I have given tomorrow. Yes, right? Yesterday which we have given you now. You show your activity.
Thank you. Okay. We are going to start preparing our puja thali. Everyone ready? So let's start. First, take your plates, which we are going to prepare our all preparation for aarti. Okay. Now put little bit kumkum. Is it visible? See here, kumkum. Kumkum is offered to Lord Ganesh to respect our God. Then we put rice. Offering rice, we pray to Lord Ganesh to give us good fortune. Is it done, children? Is it done? Okay. So next we keep haldi. Is it visible?
Apeksha ma'am, it's not visible.
It's not visible.
No, yeah, yeah, it's visible now. You just take up your phone.
Okay. Offering this haldi, it is also as auspicious as kumkum. You know that this Ganesh festival is largely celebrated in Maharashtra, and haldi powder is as auspicious as kumkum powder. So we are going to add little bit haldi powder also in our puja thali. Okay. So next we put our Durva grass bunch. Then we keep our prasad, which we prepared with Mitakshi ma'am, laddu. Right, laddu and modak. Is it visible? Okay. So lastly, we are going to put diya. See here, diya. Okay. You can use in this diya, you can use til oil also. You know why we use til or ghee? Because it brings positive atmosphere, positive energy. So this our puja thali is ready. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are all set for Aarti, right? Now I would like to request grandmother of Kaivalya to sing Aarti, and all grandparents and parents can also join this. Okay? And before Aarti, please light your diya. Okay. So we start Aarti.
Wait, baka kami niya. Apa sila?
Kilo.
Ay, ganito apa?
Shall we start, Aarti ma'am?
We can start when we are ready.
Yes,
you can start.
Yes.
and all grandparents
start.
also join. I already forwarded in the WhatsApp group.
All grandparents can join, and all parents can all.
All parents and grandparents, please join.
जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उंची सिंधुराची शेजरी मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती ओ श्री मंगल मूर्ती सुमन रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव करा तुझ गौरी तुमरा चंदनाची ओटी जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव वंदना परवर बंदन वक्रतुंड त्रिनयना जय देव जय देव कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति ओ श्री मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव गणपति
मोरया
Thank you, everyone. And special thanks to Cavalier's grandmother for such a melodious aarti. Now, I would like to request Kavya's grandmother to sing a thal for us. Please, all grandparents and parents can also join.
Parents, please mute yourself so she can start.
प्रीतिना पकवन पवन भोजन कृष्णराया करिले चोरवाडू तमने जमो जमुनी जमाडू तमने स्नेहानी सागर खटरस स्नेहानी सागर वेतना खटरस खाटू पूना केटो जमाडू तमने जमो जमो जगन्नाथ स्वामी जमाडू तमने शबरी सुदामने विजुनी बाजी शबरी सुदामने विजुनी बाजी देवी तृप्ति करिले छो जमाडू तमने जमो जमो जगन्नाथ स्वामी जमाडू तमने बचन प्यार करूं कलावाला जगने जमाडो तमी हूँ छू जमाडू तमने जमो जमो ने जगन्नाथ स्वामी जमाडू गजानन महाराज की जय।
Thank you, everyone. Now I would like to request to Avni ma'am to continue.
Respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, grandparents, and my lovely children. Good evening, all. Have you enjoyed?
Yes.
You know, अभी आपको लड्डू बनाना भी आ गया, मोदक बनाना भी. Very good to see you all. I would to parents, my teachers, and my students. Thank you for your valuable and precious time. Thank you so much. Constantly and continuously we are getting support from your side to development of our learners. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the last stated movement, everyone मेरे सबको बोलना है गणपति बाप्पा
एक दो तीन चार
गणपति बप्पा मोरया गणपति बप्पा मोरया
जय जयकार
5, 6, 7, 8 गणपति हमारे साथ
गणपति
Join everyone. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm showing you something. Everybody see?
Everyone.
Ganpati Bappa. Take the aarti, everyone.
चलो अभी सब लोग आरती ले लो और प्रसाद देना सबको, है ना? और खाना है ना, कभी से आपको लड्डू
अभी सब आरती ले लो और प्रसाद
लड्डू
प्रसाद आपके फैमिली मेंबर सबको आपको बांटना है, वो प्रसाद है। Thank you once again for the wishes and valuable time. Bye bye. We will meet again. Bye everyone. Bye.
Thank you everyone. Bye. Bye bye. Bye all.
Bye bye. WhatsApp group and feedback also about the online school. All the parents, please take a photo of the Natalie. We are lovely and a feedback also about the online school. Thank you everyone. Bye.
everyone. Bye. गणपति बाप्पा
Moria.
Bye bye. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.